So in this video, I will try to show you how Curipod will look for the students. So I will be trying to showcasing the students' point of view. So I've made this lesson and I am ready to present it to my class. I'll press present and we are good to go. First of all, how do I get my students to join so they can answer and be a part of the interactive lesson? Well, you press the, I'll mute it because I want you to hear what I'm saying. Here, the students can go to Curi.live and join with a PIN code, or if they use a phone or a pad, they can join with this QR code. If you click here, you copy the link. So I'll go there. So as you see, I switched tab and now I'm in the student's point of view. So as a student, I'll enter my name. And you see here that I get, now I'm back in the teacher's point of view, and I get this randomized nickname. This we do to make students feel safe, and I think it's a lot of fun. But you as a teachers can always check the real names by opening the moderation tool. I'll make another video about how the moderation tool works. So I'm good to go. I'll show you the different activities. I'll close the lobby, and let's start off with a poll. I'm starting it here as a teacher, and then I'm moving to the student's point of view to see how it looks. They get the different alternatives. I'll answer. I'm back at teacher's point of view, and we see the results. Let's look at the word cloud, what you associate with Curipod. Again, as a teacher, I press play, and now I'm switching tab to go to the student's point of view, where I can write words I associate with Curipod. Fun, learning, etc. Moving back to the teacher point of view and stopping this activity. And here's my word cloud. Then let's take a look at the open-ended question. How are you going to use Curipod? I'll start it as a teacher, and then I move over to the student point of view. Here we are as a student. How are you going to use Curipod? To interactive lessons. Notice I've set a limit of 3 answers. This you can set yourself when you create the activity. And the activity is finished. So at the next step, the students can vote for the answers they think are most engaging, most fun, most creative. You set the criteria. It could also, for example, if you make them ask questions, it could be the questions they want the most to be answered. Set the voting criteria. This is a part of the activity the student think is a lot of fun. I'll press play and go to the student's point of view again. And you see here, now they get all the different answers from the students in the class randomized into pairs. So they get to vote. So I want this one, then I want this one. And when everyone is finished voting, you get the results here. So this is a really great way of giving the students agency into how you work in the classroom. Let's take a look at the last activity. It's a drawing activity. I'm a teacher again, and I press play, and I'm moving over to the student's point of view, where they get the drawing canvas. If you have watched my video about drawing activities, you know that you can add a background here as well. I can draw some students talking around the table, for example. Or I can answer some math questions. So yeah, I'll submit my answer. Okay, I'm back at the teacher's point of view. If you stop the activity before everyone has submitted, they get automatically submitted. And for this one, I'll skip the voting and go directly to the results. So now you have actually seen all the different activities from the student's point of view. If you want to test this yourself, I really do recommend just creating a lesson, presenting it, and then joining from your own phone, or get some colleagues to join in. And you can try out both as a teacher and a student. It's the easiest way to learn. Best of luck and have a lot of fun with Curipod.